John Fedro here, and it's my strong belief, it might not be your belief, but it's my strong belief that there's never been a real estate investing program or a mobile home investing program, a course, a group of CDs, a book, a manual, a blueprint or formula or boot camp, whatever you want to call this training. I don't think there's been anything created that anybody could give to you to say, here you go. You have everything that you're going to need. Now go make it happen. Go crush it. You got it. Mobile home investing doesn't work like that. Real estate investing doesn't work like that. If you're doing things on a daily basis, on a regular basis, and in the beginning when I work with folks, there's things to be done on a daily basis. Eventually you can outsource things, but in the beginning and for a while, we're talking almost every day, every other day, every few days. If I don't hear from you, I'm reaching out to you after a while as well. This real estate investing business, it's not a passive business, at least not the way that we invest. Things should be done most days, and you will have questions. You're talking to new people in new situations with new repairs and new homes or used homes and following up with people, and the list goes on. You're learning new things, and of course you're going to have questions. Things change day to day, hour by hour, minute by minute. With that said, all of the training and material and videos and content and forms, they're all online for you, and they're known as the Mobile Home Deal Maker Formula, also known as the Mobile Home Formula for short. And I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what this platform looks like, where all the training is. I'm going to zoom out here on the computer screen so we can see more. Now this is the mental attitude training, and there's 2 lessons in this module, and the training is broken up into different modules. There's 9 core modules with a bonus, and then mental attitude training. Modules 1 through 4 talk about mobile homes inside of pre-existing parks, and modules 5 through 9 talk about mobile homes attached to private land. And there's more homes on private land that there are in parks, but most people start with modules 1 through 4. We also talk about moving mobile homes as well to your land, to other people's land, to mobile home parks. And let's just jump into module number 1. Now, in all of these modules, modules 1 through 9, there's between 15 and 25 different lessons. And in these lessons, there's forms, there's scripts, there's paperwork, there's demo versions of the forms, there's recorded phone calls that I've recorded with park managers and sellers and buyers. Because I show you exactly what I want you to do, and then I ask you to go and do it. These lessons, these videos, they're all in chronological order, and then I give you action assignments at the end. Action assignments at the end of every module, because I want you to complete those action assignments before moving on to the next module. And we try to get through 1 module per week whenever I'm working with someone new. Here you can see the lessons all on the left side of the screen here in module number 2. In module number 2, by the way, we are talking to sellers, we're setting appointments, we're reaching out to more sellers. One of the most important things that I think really help folks is that I show you exactly what I want you to do and then ask you to go and do it. Now you can of course always reach out, and we're going to be talking fairly regularly, but here's an example. When we're talking to sellers, yes, there's a script, yes, there's an outline that we follow, but here are 12 different examples of different sellers that I'm calling. Sometimes I'm setting an appointment, sometimes I'm not. You're going to hear how exactly we talk to sellers real world, and then you can go ahead and emulate just what I'm saying again and again to different sellers, so you can feel comfortable doing it, know what you're talking about. I jumped over to module 3, and we talk about everything from going to appointments to finding handyman, meeting park managers, kind of in a warm fashion instead of like a cold contact. Also creating our offers, live examples of me again calling sellers and making offers. What does that sound like? Do you just call up and blurt out a number? So I'm going to show you again exactly what I want you to do. We talk about purchase forms, we talk about making those offers, moving forward with Dodd-Frank and the SAFE Act. This has been updated a couple times. A few of these lessons have. Some of these lessons are new as well, and there's a couple new lessons coming out. We just released not too long ago in the unannounced free bonuses, which I'm announcing right now, we released a building an effective lead capture website, which I think is important. Module 4, we talk about selling mobile homes. We talk about cleaning them up, what repairs are most important, and then selling. And then modules 5 through 9, we do it again, but with mobile homes on private land. And some folks I work with, they start with modules 1 and 5 simultaneously to get started with homes on land and in parks together. Other folks, it's enough to just start with mobile mobile homes in parks around you. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that it gave an understanding of what exactly was included in this, and sort of a method to the madness of how, there's only so many steps from getting to module 1 to module 4. And along the way, there's not just this training, it's us talking together one-on-one on a regular basis, me looking over the pictures of homes that you're going through, helping to give you advice on the everything from the repairs to how you're talking to people, to making offers, to what offers we should make. And then again, you're becoming a more and more proficient investor as time goes on. To go ahead and find out more information, go ahead and click the link below, or reach out to me directly at support@mobilehomeinvesting.net.